Hey, it's BtheRiderPa back again with some more craziness. So the 2024s are out, and I just saw the new bikes because I work for the dealership. We actually got to see them a little earlier. Um, Harley's cutting out the standard road glide, street glide, the special road glide, street glide, and whatever. The STs are gone. They're not going to do those anymore. They're going more simplified because everybody's like, oh, I'm going to go specialized. Kind of, I want a road glide special. I want a standard. They're all going to be the same. And then you're going to get to customize it. They got a whole new lineup of customizations they're going to come out with. And you're going to be able to build that bike to a touring bike, whatever. So I'm wondering, is the touring bikes dead? Are they not going to do the big tour anymore? Because they didn't come up with a new one this year. They have the same ones. They're not redesigned or anything. So are they cutting their number of bike styles down, and then you'll just buy a road glide, buy the tour pack, and build the bike from there? So you're going to pay one price for the bike and then have to build a ultra from there and add all that stuff, which is even more. And if you start thinking about it, I did a 2018 road glide special, and by the time I was done, I should have just bought the limited. But I bought another limited in 21. So is it really? I don't think they're going to. I'm thinking that they're not going to do it. I don't think they're going to bring out a limited. You're going to buy a road glide or a street glide and build it into a limited in the future. That's the question. Are they simplifying? Because the market is what it is, and there's so much technology on the bikes now. There's really not really much differentiation. It's like cell phones. Cell phones really between an Apple. You have an Apple and a Galaxy. Basically, all the rest of them are kind of nobody really pays attention. You get all the attributes for both of them, but a 22 to a 23 to a 24 Samsung Galaxy, how much difference there is there? If you watch the YouTube videos, there's not a whole lot of difference. So back to the bikes, that's the question. Are they going to just get away with the limiteds and the ultras? And you'll buy a street glide or road glide and you will build the bike from there. You can change the shocks and do all those things. It's like having what they used to call it, potato heads. Yeah, you can add different stuff, plug and plays. So is that what they're going to go to is the question. And we won't know for another year or two. But yeah, they didn't change the road glide limited or the ultras, but they come up with a new road glide and a street glide. They got the what do they call it, the road glide ST. They didn't even come out with a street glide ST, just a road glide ST. So are they going to stop making the road glides in the future, or are they going to go away? They're going to go to road glides all the time. You know, way above my pay grade for me to even think of or know what goes on in corporate minds. I'm just a biker that rides bikes, and I like to travel on my motorcycle. But there is a lot of emphasis this year on touring. So if you like to tour, that's what it's all about. Touring on your motorcycle. Getting back to the roots of what we got motorcycles for, which is going touring. Take your bike, go see some of the extremities in the beautiful country we live in, and see things. That's what you got a motorcycle for. It's cheaper on gas. You can load up lightweight stuff, and you can go out and experience the fresh air, smell the grass when it's cut, and ride your motorcycle. And you don't have to do it crazily. You can go 400 miles, 300 miles, 200 miles, whatever. Jump on a bike, throw a bag on, throw an overnight bag, grab the girlfriend, the wife, go off to the mountains for the weekend, see some sights, take a fishing pole, go fishing. But that's what motorcycling was all about. Living off your bike kind of thing for a couple of days is fine. Having some fun and seeing the country. That's what I got a bike for, was to see things, and I love the open air, so it works great for me. All right, hey, well, see what the 2024s bring out, and I'm sure they'll be on the floor here by the end of next week or by the end of this week. They'll be out on the floors. They shipped them, and they're on their way, so they'll be popping up all over YouTube. All the people will be, oh, look at this new bike, look at the new color. I'll be doing the same crap. I'll be walking around, look at this bike, look at the new bike, look at the features, look at this, look at that. And it's going to be all over the internet. So if you watch bike videos, you're going to get inundated with all the new bikes. All right, hey, BtheRiderPa or Be the Rider, whichever way you want to call me. Don't forget about PAM 2024. It's coming up in June. Can't wait to see everybody. If you've been to one of the VAMs or BAMs or whatever you want to call it, a bunch of vloggers get together. We go from ride, we sit around. I've tried to make this so it's all inclusive. We get to sit around the bar and drink at night, hang out with your friends, go on some nice little rides, see make some places that you can make some nice content, and hang out with other vloggers and talk about instant 360s or GoPros or Senas or cardio, anything like that. So hey, stay warm, stay safe, keep the rubber side down, and I'm out.